Hello, welcome to Medications this time. Let me introduce myself. My name is Michael Miguel Andreheki from the Information Technology Program with student ID 250102010079. I will be discussing the topic Your Voice Can Change Society. The reason I chose this topic is that in Alex very well with one of my one on desire that I may not have fully realized in making an impact in society. Before that, I would like us to together give thanks to God Almighty for giving us the opportunity to present this discussion and at least possibly release the topic for this session. Okay, without further ado, let's talk about this topic. In life, we as humans are social creatures who need to interact with each other. Besides that, we have a voice and more importantly, actions to explain it to others and to our environment. Our voice, as well as the voice of others, are very meaningful in life for the progress of society. No matter what group you belong to, voice really matter. Because of that, embracing our voice has a very significant impact on life. Have you ever heard the music for love to grow? One must actively act must show their love. It comes from Eric Fromm, who also stated that the voice coming from a person has a big impact on society. Besides, voices in the community are often not heard, so we as people who are part of it need to have a strong willingness and a solid sense of unity for this to happen. In social life, our voice is often considered a mistake for expressing opinions about the interests of our own group or a centered institutions, and it often depends a lot on its role in various fields. Voice plays an important role in both personal life and interaction with others and reflects something about ourselves what we share in with others. Therefore, as receivers or messengers, we have a role, significant influence in our social life. We have already discussion that should play a role in various health, but this time I will explain it in more detail. Although I will focus on the NTB community because that is where I come from. John has a significant role for the community, especially and encouraging public participations, driving the economy, and strengthening social cohesion. Number one, social and cultural fields. Traditional missing delivery and cultural events like perantopat or gandrung, the delivery or pottery, and the local chants serve as a way to preserve history, identity, and strengthens the bonds of friendship among community members. Empathy and conscience. Speaking with empathy helps reduce conflicts, build emotional connections between individuals, and create a more harmonious social environment. Number two, economy and business. Marketing and tourism. A perceptive voice like live streaming promotion, TikTok or Instagram, and tourist spot around Lombok plays a vital role in attracting tourists, boosting sales for small business, and uplifting the local economy. Radio automations. Local radio broadcasts are an effective advertising medium connecting business owners directly with consumers. Number three, public and democracy. Public participations, voice and expression expressed through special campaigns or the mass media influence the public awareness in asserting their voting right, which directly impact all elections outcomes. Policy oversight, expressing openness in public in a social control tool to ensure local government are transparent and accountable. For education and religion, sharing information, the voice us in education, like interactive lecture or podcast, make it easier to transfer knowledge in school and university. Religious guidance and spiritual uplifting. Delivery message through religious talk and mosque or on radio, broadcast prophet, moral education, spiritual values, and help many maintain harmony among different religious community. Entertainment and arts. Means of expressions, vocal music allow musician or singer to express emotions, tell social realities, and provide entertainment that benefits people mental health. Support for public activity. Large-scale sound like loudspeaker, sound system, or horror is often relied on the level of every social activity, festival, and folk carnival. On another note, having a voice for opinions and its personal impact is really influential on my private life. Without a voice, my opinion, desire, or dream may be difficult or possible to realize. Therefore, having a voice become a opportunity for me to express my opinions and desire, and it also has the potential to be very valuable in the future, whether in my career or other aspect of life. So, in conclusion, a voice play a very important role in my personal life and even in my social life with my daily environment, but whether in a democracy or in the tourism sector and matters. That's why I am very grateful that having a voice allow me to express and realize it. And finally, I want to say thank you for giving me this opportunity. I, Michael Megi Andreki, would like to close this decision. That's all. Thank you. Self-reflection for number one. From what I ever learned from the topic and discussions, the way voices are experienced in society has a big impact, both for ourselves and for the community. As social beings, we really need connection, both directly and verbally to create real actions in order to achieve or realize our dream or hopes. This way, we can create an ideal life together. Besides that, having a voice allows someone to reach their desire and make a real impact. Voice has benefits not only for oneself or a central group, but also affect the environment in various areas, like for example, democracy and the political field. For number two, when the question are presenting in, I actually have trouble with pronunciation or saying the words directly on camera because I only know the vocabulary and pronunciation in English words or sentence. Number three, subjectively, this project don't have a big impact on skill like communication skill directly, but it does help me practice writing English vocabulary or sentence directly. Thank you very much.